Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Leah Michelle and this is DIY with Leah Michelle. This is the $7 mirror from Walmart that I'm redesigning. I'm adding some trim molding to the outside of the mirror to make the mirror a little bit beefier because this mirror is really cheap and it is quite flimsy. I'm measuring out my mirror and transferring those measurements to the board. My trim is 2 1/4 inches thick, so I had to add 2 1/4 inches on each end in order to create that perfect 45-degree angle. I have displayed in the corner all of my measurements. If you'd like to recreate this project, pause this video now to screenshot the measurements for the project cuts. That's if you're using a 2 1/4 inch board. Here I'm adding some wood glue and corner bracket screws to complete the frame. As you can see, I put the corner brackets on each corner to create a perfect 90-degree angle. Now I'm adding this piece of scrap board to the back to give some support and something to glue the mirror to. I tried other things, this worked out best. Yeah, the struggle was real. I didn't even have the thing plugged in, and I'm just really trying to brand nail this to the back of the board. But enjoy my follies. If you've made it this far in the video, thanks for sticking around. I would like for you to comment, subscribe, and come back for my next video. Hopefully in the next video you'll be seeing this hanging in my mom's mudroom completed. Here I'm adding some liquid nails to the board so I can lay down that mirror and give it a nice secure hold. Now that adhesive is dry and I'm adding some caulk to all the cracks and the seams to give it a more uniform look, to make it look like it was all one piece. Here I'm adding a sawtooth hanger to the back of the mirror. It's a really inexpensive way to hang any project.
But I think that it's worth it. I put my headphones on, I play my favorite song, I go to sleep and try again. Mama used to try and tell me no man is an island, but I think I feel like drifting away. Mama used to say tomorrow never comes, so make the most, but I think I am done with today. Says, man, you gotta make an effort.
This is a project hanging after it's dry. I painted it black, but it was looking really flat to me, so I went to Google for some inspiration and I found this photo. And I tried to recreate it using a tan paint and some wax over it. This picture is blurry, but as you see, it came out really nice. I used some wax to coat it. After 30 days, it'll be really chip resistant. This is it before, and look how glorious it looks now. It actually in person, it looks like something you would buy out of a high-end store. I'm really pleased with the outcome. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you back next week.